Community, man. Blood in, blood out. No one's leaving.
Yeah, I was here first, man. Thank you guys again for coming out. You guys always do an awesome job for us, man. We love Coca-Cola.
We grew this year. We've got more people.
I know, I see.
Pick up the screws just in case. You don't want them to get into a tire for somebody visiting the park. Hey folks, hey, I'm whooped. What a day. Had a great time spending time with my Coke family. Placed 102 boards in 3 hours. Did the whole fence line on the entrance coming into Honeymoon Island. Talking to the ranger afterwards, he was very impressed with us, said we were not the ordinary volunteers that they get in. Usually they get volunteers that come in and you know, they try to do what they can and get their volunteer hours over with. But I think we just cranked it out. Had a great process put in place. That's what we do, right? We put processes in place and we follow them. Did a quality job, all right? And everybody did a great job. Family came out, awesome, just awesome, awesome. I loved it. Kudos to Team Dunedin, the fence team. We kicked butt. Hope you enjoyed the video and have a refreshing day. Whew. Kyle, what's your claim, man? What's your claim? Say working hard.
Working hard.
Working hard.